Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pearl.
It's our 10th anniversary and we will be exploring Akarua in the South Island.
Ito ang unang beses naming magpunta doon. Get ready for unforgettable experience in Akarua.
Gusto namin ma-experience ang the only place sa mundo kung saan makikita mo ang Hector's Dolphin. Located just 90 minutes from Christchurch. Alam nyo ba? Ay, hindi nyo alam. Ang Hector's Dolphin pala, sila yung pinaka-smallest and at pinakabihirang dolphin sa mundo. At nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Yung mga sobrang mapapahanga ka talaga sa mga rock formations sa tabing dagat. Sobrang ganda and truly be amazed by the scenery, especially the beauty of nature. Medyo maalon ang dagat at mahangin, and it was one of our most unforgettable experiences dito sa Akarua. Sa Book Me Up ako bumili ng mga ticket namin, and it cost 79 New Zealand dollar per person. The duration of the whole experience is approximately 2 hours. Sobrang sulit talaga at mai-enjoy mo ang tanawin. And also, mabait pa yung mga staff at pati na rin ng mga pasahero. The next destination is the Akarua Lighthouse and Lookout Point. The Akarua Lighthouse was built in 1878. Ang tagal na pala, no? Sobrang ganda. The view is so beautiful, very relaxing, and the ambience is peaceful. Akarua is one of the Aotearoa, New Zealand's most loved towns and cutest towns. Sulit talaga, and our short vacation in the South Island was truly worth it. Pero sobrang dami pa ng mga lugar na hindi namin napuntahan. Ayaw ko kasi nagmamadali. Gusto namin sulitin ang bawat destination para relax and chill lang. We just enjoy and cherish every moment whenever we go on holiday. Nagkakaedad na kasi. Akarua is so beautiful that you won't regret coming here. Sa totoo lang, ang ganda dito. Ang simpleng lifestyle nila. Ay, nakakatuwa. Very calm and stress relieving. Thanks to the beauty of nature. By the way, the cruise offers complimentary tea and coffee. We suggest you bring sunscreen, sunglasses, a jacket, and of course, ang inyong camera. Drinks and snacks including beer and wine are available for purchase on board. Ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam kapag nasa bakasyon. Yung tipong wala kang ibang iniisip kundi makapunta sa magagandang lugar. Para bang saglit kang nakawala sa stress ng buhay kapag nasa mga lugar na tahimik at maganda, di ba? Life feels great when you're on holiday, enjoying every single moment. It's such a great experience to spend time just the two of you. Like creating memories with the person you love. The overall experience of our very short holiday was amazing and the best. See you again, Akarua! And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!